Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can share your cart from Temu with somebody else, so let's get right into it. Now, for doing this, I would recommend this extension you see right here, and that extension is called Share a Cart. You can easily get it for Chrome or Chromium-based browsers, and you just need to install it, click here, and then add it to Chrome. As you'll see, I already have it on my Opera browser, so there is no reason for me to add it again. But yeah, once you have this, you then need to go over into Temu. Now, as you'll see, I'm already in my cart. You just need to add any items you wish into your cart. I'll show you guys how. You just go here, browse through Temu, select whatever item you would like. For example, this one, just click add to cart, or let's say first select this and then add it to cart, and now we have our cart on checkout. Now first, what we're going to do is we're going to go to our cart, and there you'll see a list of all your items which are currently in it. Now once you're in your cart, what you're going to need to do is activate the plugin. You need to go into the top right, click on share a cart, and as you'll see, you have two options. You have create a cart and receive a cart. Whoever you're sharing this cart with also needs to have the share a cart extension. So once you both do rather, click create a cart ID, and now you have your cart ID. Then whenever somebody wants to, you just copy this cart link or cart ID over, share it with somebody, and then they can just click on receive a cart, enter that cart ID code, and then they will receive this exact cart which you have currently. And that is basically all there is to it. It is the simplest way that I've found currently, and that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.